Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm gonna cover 4 small little movements that help your characters not look like a robot. If you consider moving these 4 elements of your character's body, you will make them look alive. You can go from a very stiff, unnatural, robotic animation like this. This is a character having a dialogue, and this character is supposed to be very upset, to someone that has personality like this. Wow, now this character is really upset, right? You can tell. We don't hear anything she's saying, but wow, this one is really upset. I see some beginners try to have the characters move a little when they speak, and it looks like this. So it's not that terrible, but it's not good. It's at best mediocre, right? And we don't want you to learn mediocre techniques. I want you to become really good. I want you to become amazing in animation. That is, someone who can create animations that are fun to watch, interesting, and have very natural and organic movements for their characters. So for that, I want to give you a little practical guide of 4 movements, 4 elements that you can move when your characters have dialogue. The 4 elements are torso, head position, head inclination, and shoulders. Even moving each element just a little bit makes for great animation. You don't have to be super exaggerated if the scene doesn't require you to do so. But just consider moving it a little bit and your characters will be alive. Let's see how each element adds a little bit of life to your character as we add each element, right? We have the character having some dialogue, behaving like a robot. It's just the character talking. I mean, it has lip sync, but she looks like a robot because there's no emotion at all besides the voice. Now, what happens if we move the torso a bit? It's still not quite there yet, but now her dialogue is a bit more expressive, right? Well, we can add a little bit of head positioning and rotation. Now this is starting to come alive. It's more expressive now, much more expressive. Now let's add some shoulder movements. And there, she now seems to be alive. Now, if we want to make her really upset, we can add a little bit of squash and stretch. And there, now she's really something. She's really upset. You can see it, right? Now, for some, this might be over the top, but now she's not a robot. She's alive. She is an organic character who has emotions, someone who breathes, someone who has opinions, ideas, someone who cares about stuff, right? All of that just from moving 4 body elements. They are torso, head position, head inclination, and shoulders. Super simple, super effective. Add this to your next animation where you have a dialogue and your characters will look alive. Great. Until next time, this is Mark Diaz for 2danimation101.com. Take care.